Hi there, my name is Rachel. I'm a format expert and a visual artist. This video is to quickly show you how to use image sets within our custom pages. To get started, you'll want to go to your Pages editor and start a new custom page and title it. Next, you'll be confronted with this screen to either start from a custom page template or to start from scratch. You can add image sets to any of our templates. Templates are just a way to get started, but I'll just start from scratch to show you image sets only. So we're going to press on Add Section from the left-hand side. From here, you'll be able to see the array of different sections you can add to a custom page. You'll find image sets under the header Images. To find image sets, just scroll down, and you'll see them right here above link sets. Image sets are a way to show multiple images at once, and they have a few different layout options. I'm going to choose the Slideshow option, and then I'll show you the different ones once I've loaded some images in. To get started, you'll click on this Add Image button in the bottom left-hand corner of the section box. Next, you'll see our regular Upload Image window. You can upload images through this button, through Dropbox, or you can use Import from another format page button, which is what I'm going to use. I'm just going to borrow some images from my Venice gallery here. Select a few. I'll just select them all. I'm going to import these 10 images. From here, you'll notice that I can see all the images I imported, and I also have the ability to add captions, just like I would in a gallery page. From the bottom, we've got the option to autoplay this slideshow, and we also have the option to change the layout of the image set. Here you can see we've got options for grid, vertical, like a vertical scroll, our slideshow which we're currently in, and the ability to set our grid as masonry and square as well. I'm going to first just show you what this looks like in Slideshow by pressing on our preview button in the top right corner. Here you'll see we have a simple slideshow. We have the ability to look at captions from the bottom right-hand corner, and we can click through them like so. If this was set to autoplay, it would be able to slide through the images in our slideshow. I'm going to press close and show you some of the other options. If I select vertical and I press preview, you'll see all these images in a nice wide width vertical scroll, like so. And if I choose any of the grid, square, or masonry options, we're going to see a tiled look. I'm going to choose masonry to show you what that option looks like. Masonry is going to retain the aspect ratio of all of the images. So we'll see them not show up as a default size like square or landscape, but we'll see them all show up as the aspect ratio of the original image. From here, you can click on the images to look at them one at a time and press the X to return back to the tiled view. And that's about it. The other thing that you can keep in mind is that you can also add other sections around the image set, which is what the big difference is between this and a standard gallery page. I can then combine this with large header images, different text tiles, and also different types of media like video and sound and Instagram grids as well. When you're ready, just press Save Changes in the top right corner. Let me know if you have any other questions. You can reach out to us through the chat button in the bottom right-hand corner or write to us at info@format.com. Have a great day.